Thank you for watching Ebony Ladies in the DR. I'm your host, Bridget. Bienvenidos a mi canal. Gracias por mirar. And so we are back for another day of Spanish. We got plenty of sunshine today. No palm trees. We have a little cold weather. So let me tell y'all what is going on in Spanish, of course. Okay, let me say how I'm going to say this. Estoy en Atlanta. Filmar una pelicula. Estoy en Atlanta para filmar una película. Soy actriz. Estoy en Atlanta para filmar una película. Soy actriz. I am in Atlanta filming a movie because I'm an actress. Bet y'all didn't know that, right? Okay, yes I am. So that is your little bit of Spanish for today. I'm in Atlanta filming a movie because I'm an actress. Estoy en Atlanta para filmar una película. Soy actriz. All right, don't forget, Ebony Ladies in the DR, right here every Thursday, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, are the regular episodes on Thursday. Every day, get a little bit of Spanish with Bridget. Hope you guys enjoy your day wherever you are. I will be back to palm trees tomorrow. I will be back in Punta Cana. So, yay! Okay, I'm getting out the cold, back to set. See y'all later.